Okay, so then we're back to square one then.
Judge Michael Bordallo says they are back to square one as the court orders both parties for a second time to file an official witness list. It's a matter of determining whether the witnesses are available, if prior testimony will be used, and the whereabouts, as well as the competency of one important witness, Dr. Espinola, the former chief medical examiner.
Number one, he's older now, 4 years older. He was pretty old at the last one. I would venture to guess that absent him taking a week to review all the materials, he's not going to have any recollection. I mean, again, that's I don't want to say speculation, but it's you know, I think everybody would be in agreement that it would be tough for what is he now? It's got to be 85 or 86. Correct.
As this is the second try for the 2015 incident. In the amended indictment, murder defendant Mark Torre Jr. is charged with negligent homicide and aggravated assault for the fatal shooting of fellow police officer Albert Piolo. Appearing in court today for a continued criminal trial setting, his attorney Jay Areola says a main objection from their side.
And Your Honor, I think the only witness that is in that position would be Dr. Espinola. And I think we both have very differing accounts of the reasons why he would be unavailable or not. And
that's kind of where we have to push it, and so that the court, because I can't, you know, it sounds like at trial we're going to be hashing out what it is, and I want to do that before trial.
Judge Bordallo asked if there are other concerns, and Chief Prosecutor Basil O'Malley airs one out.
In reviewing the Supreme Court decision in this matter, there's only a certain portion of the body cam that is objectionable. So our intent is, when we pay it, at the points that the court has found objectionable, we're just going to mute the audio, but we're going to continue with the video. There's nothing wrong with the video, it's just the audio of the statement that we made.
Attorney Areola argues the video and audio was suppressed, however only part of the body cam footage was. And Judge Bordallo orders the government to file a proffer by Friday the 27th, and for Attorney Areola to file any objections by January 3rd. As for the questionnaire, both parties say it's near completion, as they are reviewing one final question.
I'm going to order you guys, I guess we'll again, one more week. I want you to, at this time, if you don't have a witness that you know is going to be here, then you're going to have to list them as a witness who, one, is either going to testify via video conference, or number two, is going to have to use previous testimony. I have to hear objections on that, so we can make a ruling on that to find out whether, you know, you're going to have to move earth to find them, or whether or what you're going to have to do if you know that they're not going to be allowed to testify via prior testimony.
A return was scheduled for January 2nd for an update on the witness list. As for the body cam issue, Judge Bordallo said arguments will be scheduled for a later date. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Adriana Cotero.